Well, the next step in the getting started phases of the business is what we call getting into action, developing an action plan. And this is where the rubber meets the road. This is where we start actually building the business. This is really where it becomes most exciting. This is also the most challenging because there's always a little bit of fear associated with starting and doing things new. But this business is all about getting outside the comfort zone, your comfort zone, building something that has some value for you. So this is really the most exciting phase. This is where the juice of the business really is, and this is where you're going to have the most fun and validate the business for yourself over time. So one of the things we talk about in developing an action plan, now when you have your calendar in place, you know exactly when you're going to be doing the business and what your goals are, what you want to accomplish, there's an acronym we call CAPS, C-A-P-P-S, CAPS. The C stands for contacts, the A stands for appointments, the P stands for presentations, the next P stands for products sold, and then the S stands for sign-ups or enrollments. Now your action plan will consist of using these elements over time. How many contacts will you make on a daily basis? If you're not working every day, that's fine, but on the days that you're working, how many contacts do you want to achieve? New contacts, reach out to new people and invite them either to learn about the company or the product or the opportunity. That will be determined again by your plan of action. But the first step is to reach out, make new contact with people, and invite them to learn about your company, your project, your business, and see whether they're ready or the timing is right for them to come and join you, either as a customer or as a business partner. Second step is to establish appointments. How many appointments will you set during the days that you're working the business? Having a clear goal around the appointments you're going to achieve over the course of a week or a month is absolutely critical. Next step is to actually schedule presentations. There is a sequence of events. You're going to have to present the business or the product to X number of people to achieve a particular kind of result. So how many presentations will you schedule over the course of a week or over the course of a month? How many product presentations, how many business presentations, so that you'll begin to develop new customers, and that will lead also, as you do these presentations, to new representatives enrolling as a member of your team and signing them up. And so these are the actionable plans. These are the things that are actually accountable. And when I say accountable, I'm not talking about something that's punitive, but these are the results that will drive the success of your business. Structuring your time is the first step. Having that time be efficiently used obviously is much more important. Efficient use of time is why things are systematic and methodical and planned out. We have a much higher chance of succeeding if we have these specific goals that we set for ourselves during short blocks of time that we do repeatedly over the course of a 90-day or 120-day cycle, over the 6 months or 12 months, that really help us secure the goals that we set for ourselves within the business. So again, a plan of action will consist of the things that are measurable and something we can be accountable for: contacts, appointments, presentations, products sold, and new signups. This is at the core of being productive within our business. And so it doesn't take a lot of time, it's all about being productive. So it's not about taking large amounts of time to try to achieve something. It's about gaining efficiency, using the tools, using the support of the team that you've joined, having a clear agreement between you, your sponsor, your upline executive about what your goals are, what your commitment is, the time that you're going to spend advancing the business, doing these core activities of retailing and recruiting. The only two things actually that generate revenue for you are retailing and recruiting. Anything else that you might do with your time is outside those core activities. If you want to increase or advance your business on a weekly basis, then pay attention to the contacting that you make. How many new people do you reach out to? How many appointments do you set? How many presentations do you schedule that you and your sponsor, upline executive, certainly in the beginning, everybody who's part of your team and your upline is participating in that, in the support role and actually doing that part of the business with you. But it's essential that you understand CAPS, that you apply it to your daily business, your weekly business, your monthly business, and then you look at committing to a 90-day campaign for growth. And this is something we'll talk more about. This 90-day campaign for growth is, again, another step in the getting started, understanding how to get started and successfully launch your business. So again, welcome to the team. I hope that this information has been helpful for you. Now let's go apply it and learn as we move forward. Your understanding should be that you're going to apply this stuff, you're going to learn it, you're going to share it, you're going to gain experiences, and that experience will help you master it and really gain the wisdom of the nuances of the various aspects of the business. But let's begin. Action is the most important thing that you can be involved in. Let us help you. Let the team that you've joined help you advance your business. Again, let's have some fun and make some money. Let's take those next steps.